No matter.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I...
Episode 12 na tayo everyone, and this marks our 1 year of biyahe with me in New Zealand. Medyo marami na rin tayong napuntahan sa isang taon at mas marami pa tayong mapupuntahan, kaya patuloy nyo akong samahan sa ating biyahe. I am your nomadic one, and let us celebrate our 1 year in New Zealand as an OFW with an anniversary vlog at Otaki Kite Festival.
No matter.
Kamusta mga one? I'm your nomadic one, ang iyong hugot travel bay na may puso, and welcome back to another vlog. And this is episode 12 na tayo ng ating New Zealand vlog, and pang 12 na to, so ibig sabihin it's our anniversary vlog. So ngayon nandito tayo sa may Otaki, and we are here for the Otaki Kite Festival. Yan, kung nakikita nyo sa may likod ko, yon, medyo malayo, so lapitan natin. So yeah, I'm your nomadic one, ang iyong hugot travel bay na may puso, and let's go! International kite flyers returned to the skies above Otaki Beach as part of this year's Otaki Kite Festival, held last February 17 and 18. Quality kite flyers from Australia and Germany team up with New Zealand to showcase their awe-inspiring kites supported by New Zealand kite flyers.
If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love.
It is a magnificent free weekend of family fun at Otaki Beach. Magical kites of all sizes, all the entertainment on their live stage, big dig, food trucks, market stalls, and food from all over the world. What's that? Alex. Hello. Mga ka-vloggers, nandito po kami sa Kite Festival sa Wellington.
Magandang hapon mga kakosa. Mga ka-vlogger dyan. Kaputik. Hi Tete, welcome to my vlog.
Ginagawa ni Kuya Calix.
Ay, mga kahuwan.
Yung mga kahuhan dyan. Kaway-kaway.
Salto. Kita na lang.
Alak mo more.
Yes, ate ko.
Please subscribe. Welcome to our vlog. Maiksi lang ang buhay. Piliin mo maging masaya.
Bilang OFW, most of the time we overlook ourselves. I saw this on TikTok, and it shed light on the complexities and realities of the expatriate experience. Here are some apologies for ourselves while working abroad. Una, I apologize for allowing work-related stress consume me. I should not forget to prioritize my physical and mental health, that there is life and enjoyment outside of work. Pangalawa, I'm sorry for feeling discouraged when my progress is slow, forgetting that growth takes time and perseverance. Kailangan ko rin minsan hangaan ang sarili sa mga bagay na napagtatagumpayan ko. Pangatlo, I'm sorry for not taking care of myself, that I should also help myself to help others. Working abroad requires so much strength. Magagawa ko ang lahat ng plano para sa pamilya at sarili kung nasa maayos akong kalagayan. Pero sa bandang huli, andito pa rin nagpapatuloy para sa pangarap. Forgive yourself and move forward. Gaya ng saranggola, liparin mo ang mga pangarap mo. There's no other way but up. Always improve. Babagsak man, pero lilipad ulit. Maikli lang ang buhay, piliin mong maging masaya. Let your light shine so bright that others can find their way out of the darkness. At yun everyone, that's our Otaki Kite Festival and that's episode 12 of our biyahe with me in New Zealand. At sa mga bago pa lang sa channel ko, I'm your nomadic one, ang yung Hugot Travel Bay na may puso. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para naman updated kayo sa mga future vlogs ko. So ayun mga one, makikita nyo lang dito mga iba't ibang sizes saka types ng kites, mga inflatable kites usually. At syempre may mga kainan din para sa mga festival goers natin. So malapit lang siya sa Wellington, around mga 1 hour, mga ganun siguro. So ma-enjoy nyo dito, lalo na yung mga bata. That's it everyone, tatapusin nga itong vlog ko. Lagi nyong tandaan, maikling lang buhay, piliin nyong maging masaya, and let your light shine so bright that others can find their way out of the darkness. See you on my next vlog.
We'll be right back.